So for now, to kick off our event, we would now like to call on Mr. Carlos Sapan. He's no stranger to you all. Please give a rousing welcome for Mr. Carlos Sapan.
Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, and champion afternoon to everyone. We are thrilled to have our media partners, media friends, and those who are supporting Milo and EJ Obiena in his homecoming with Milo as we announce our partnership and the continued plans for our grassroots sports. So, coming from the recently concluded games, we have witnessed the incredible power of sports to inspire and nurture champions. Sports can drive individuals to push beyond their limits, overcome obstacles, and pursue excellence both on and off the field. This is why Milo remains steadfast in its mission to fuel every Filipino's journey to success through sports, empowering them to achieve greatness in all aspects in life. And today, we wish to continue that legacy and inspire millions to succeed in sports and in life by continuing our partnership with EJ Obiena as it truly embodies the spirit and values of Milo. An individual who has demonstrated remarkable grit, discipline, and a deep passion for excellence in building next generation champions. As you all know, EJ has made history by being a top-ranking pole vaulter in the world. He has proven his athletic mettle from winning various international competitions, including the World Athletics Championships and Asian Games. But what brought him there was his journey marked by early challenges and setbacks, where each hurdle became a stepping stone towards greatness. EJ's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, and his achievements serve as an inspiration to all. That alone is what makes him a true Milo champion. This continuation of partnership is a shared mission to nurture the next generation of athletes. Milo remains committed to inspiring young Filipinos to pursue their dreams in sports and in life. With EJ as our ambassador, we are reminded that no dream is too big when fueled by passion, perseverance, and the right support. So we look forward to many more successful years ahead with EJ as a role model for aspiring athletes, and we are excited about the upcoming initiatives we will embark on together. So once again, thank you for joining us today.